Hello, my name is Jenny. Today, we are learning how to have a conversation in the airport. We will practice simple English that you can use when you check in, go through security, and board your flight.
Good morning, madam. May I see your passport and ticket?
Good morning. Yes, here they are.
Thank you. Where are you flying today?
I am flying to London.
Okay. Do you have any bags to check in?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please put it on the scale.
Sure, here it is.
Your bag is 18 kilos. That's fine. Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is B12. Boarding starts at 10:30.
Thank you very much.
Good morning. Please put your bag, phone and laptop in the tray.
Okay, do I need to take off my shoes?
No, just your jacket and belt.
Here you go.
Thank you. Please walk through the scanner.
Okay,
All good. You can take your things.
thank you.
Passport, please.
Here it is.
What is the purpose of your trip?
I am going on vacation.
How long will you stay?
2 weeks.
Enjoy your trip.
Thank you.
Good afternoon. Boarding pass, please.
Here it is.
Thank you. Your seat is 12A, by the window.
Great. Is the flight on time?
Yes, the flight will depart at 11:15 as scheduled.
Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice flight.
Thanks.